Okay, I wrote this in like 10 minutes. This is a mandatory I'm playing. A little bit ornery sometimes. But Dolly Parton wrote a song in 5 minutes on a piece of toilet tissue. So I thought I could write one. But he can't beat Dolly. I was a little irritated about money. So I wrote this song in 10 minutes. The money song. It's called Dance in the Rain. Ready, Mark? Money ain't nothing. It brings a lifetime of fussing, years of hurt, fake times and real pain. Yes, it's nice just to have it, but you gotta go grab it and ride on that financial train. I'd rather sing my songs and be all lonesome, live out that dang bit of shame of not having money. Well, it ain't worth it, honey, 'cause I just wanna dance in the rain. And I know what you're thinking. She's probably been drinking like she used to again and again. But let's review habits. You're the fox, I'm the rabbit, and I'll run out your story that's lame. Yeehaw! Give it up, Mark. Some people will think 'cause you broke you are weak, but that's not always just the case. I'm living because memory's not buzzed, and I remember who wants me to sing. And I'd rather sing my songs and be all lonesome and ride out that dang bit of shame. Not having money, well, it ain't worth it, honey, 'cause I just wanna dance in the rain. So go ahead, hun, love your trucks and your guns. Some don't report right away. I'm living proof, I got a roof, and I thank God for that every day. And I'd rather sing my songs and be all lonesome and ride out that dang bit of shame. Not having money, well, it ain't worth it, honey, 'cause I just wanna dance in the rain. Yes, I just wanna dance in the rain. Yes, I just wanna dance in the rain. Yeehaw!
So I Mark, I write a lot of love songs. I don't know why. Will it come to you like it came to me, like a 2x4 knocked me to my knee? Will it warm your heart? Will it chill your soul? Will it drive you mad, cause you to lose all control? Yeah. Well, it can come to you when you least expect. It can change your mind and make you a total wreck. But when love comes, it's a wondrous game. You learn to win, or you learn to walk away. But when love comes, you got to go all in, yeah. 'Cause even if you lose, you can't wait to play again, play it again, yeah. That's love. You drink it up like the waters of life, hoping you can catch that high and ride it all night. Sometimes it's fast, like a rocket ride. Sometimes it's slow and it can even hurt your pride. But there's nothing like it in all the world. Take a chance when you give love a whirl. But when love comes, it's a wondrous game. You try to win, or you try to walk away. But when love comes, you've got to go all in, yeah. 'Cause even if you lose, you can't wait to play again, play it again. Play it again! That's love. When love comes, it's a wondrous game. You know how to win, or you know it's time to walk away. But when love comes, you've got to go all in, yeah. 'Cause even if you lose, you can't wait to play again, play it again, yeah. That's love. So that's love. Say that's love. Say that's love.
Okay, so I do play a regular guitar sometimes. So I write, and I've only been in Nashville for about 16 months, and it was an unusual story how I got here, and I'm not going to tell it. You can go to my website, www.stefanimorton.com, and read it, and it's interesting. I do a lot of acting, too, so I'm in music videos and stuff, but I've really enjoyed my time here, and I've enjoyed the Commodore is one of the first places I ever played. So I have a friend, and she's a songwriter, and her name is Brittany Clark, and Britt, if you're watching, I love you. But we wrote this song together, and it's about two girls, kind of Thelma and Louise situation. We wanted to write a red dirt song without beer in it, and we did it. So they're still smoking cigarettes, but I mean, I guess I got to have some kind of fun. I don't know. Anyway. So this actually got third place at the Tennessee Songwriters. What is it? Contest or something like that? Week. Whatever, I'm not sure. I think that's what it's called. But anyway, there were a lot of venues, and I played at one of the venues, so I was really thrilled this came in third. So this is our song. Britt, if you're watching this out here, I love you. It's called Trucks, Toys, and Pickup Boys. Two sweet things driving fast, rolling down windows, the boys snap back. Hey baby, what's your name? Put a little rubber in his redneck game. Go down the road, go down to the party, listening to songs by Michael Hardy. Hey baby, hey what's up? Looking Gretchen Wilson just to check his luck for trucks, toys, pickup boys, Craig and Van Halen just to make some noise. Running red lights to empty that tank, taking GMC to the bank, bank, bank. Messing around, honky-tonk towns, pink heels and boots, Barbie crowns, girls gone bad and rebel bound for trucks, toys, and pickup boys. Woo! Blowing wet kisses down a rural highway, firecracker lips, camels in the ashtray, Red Bulls and nicotine to survive. In my dumb truck you never could drive. Two BFFs and a shotgun hound, cruising to the Hank Williams sound, making sure we both stand our grounds to trucks, toys, and pickup boys. Trucks, toys, pickup boys, Craig and Van Halen just to make some noise. Running red lights to empty that tank, taking GMC to the bank, bank, bank. Messing around, honky-tonk towns, pink heels and boots, and Barbie crowns. Girls gone bad and rebel bound for trucks, toys, and pickup boys. Take it away, Mark. Mama's told us to slow down, but we drive in the fast lane just to get around. Come on, trucks, toys, pickup boys, breaking Van Halen just to make some noise, running red lights to empty that tank, taking GMC to the bank, 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 messing around. Honky-tonk towns, pink heels and boots, and Bobby crowns. Girls gone bad and rebel bound for trucks, toys, and pickup boys, and pickup boys, and pickup boys, and pickup boys. One more time. Trucks, toys, pickup boys, breaking Van Halen just to make some noise, running red lights to empty that tank, taking GMC to the bank, 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 messing around. Honky-tonk towns, pink heels and boots, and Bobby crowns. Girls gone bad and rebel bound for trucks, toys, and pickup boys, and pickup boys, and pickup boys, and pickup boys, and pickup boys. Thank you.
So this is a participation song. It's really hard. Your part's really hard. You have to do this. Hey. Hey. We'll give you a cue, okay? Came to me like a fireball double shot, burning hot as it goes down slow. She wore leather like a vixen in a movie scene, playing out a little femme-dame queen. I was all in from the moment that she crashed through, breaking walls down left and right. She wrapped me up like a special prize package that you plan to play with all night. She's a little sunshine, lightning in the darkness of my soul. She came to me like a fire tornado, started burning something I can't control.
Hey,
that's what I want, is what I need. Hey,
that's what I
want, is what I need. That's what satisfies me. You guys know we're filming this right now, right? I mean, the world's gonna see you sitting in them chairs. So now I sit here with this burning desire. I can't stop it, I let her ride. 'Cause in a moment I know she can take me. For a second I'll be satisfied, yeah. She's a little sunshine, lightning in the darkness of my soul. She came to me like a fire tornado, started burning something, here we go, I can't control. Hey!
That's what I want.
Hey!
That's what I
want, is what I need. What satisfies me. Jam it, man. So when I wrote this, I was thinking there would be like a crowd of 5,000 people that actually knew when to do that. And it would be so exciting for me. So I want you guys to try to be 50 people. Would that work? I was sitting with a burning desire. I can't stop it, I'll let it ride. 'Cause in a minute I know she can take me. For a second I'll be satisfied. She's a little
bit of sunshine,
hiding in the darkness of my soul. She came to me like a fire tornado. She started burning something. Here we go. I can't control. Hey,
that's
what I want is what I need. Hey,
that's
what I want is what I need. Hey, that's what I want is what I need. Hey, 'cause that's what satisfies me. You guys are awesome.
Hey. Okay, so I am from Lexington, South Carolina, and I got friends here tonight from Lexington. There they are over there. Hey guys, I'm so excited. I have friends here also from Nashville, so they're all scattered throughout, all of us. We're all buddies, so it's great. We appreciate everybody coming out tonight, even though I don't know how. Is anybody from out of the country at all, like overseas? Welcome to Nashville. Yeah. So we had this hurricane. It was named Helene, and it devastated western North Carolina, some of Tennessee, and Kentucky, and Virginia, and I'm probably leaving out states, and I'm probably going to get embarrassed for it later, but it was a terrible thing. And so I used to come up I-40, and I'd pass this road called Waterville Road, and I thought, I want to write a song about Waterville Road. It was just something to me, it just moved me. So I wrote this song, and you can't go that way anymore. Like, that whole part of I-40 is collapsed. So now it's just a song at this point. But I think they're going to be reconstructing it, and many prayers for that area. But so I wrote this about a female bootlegger, because why should all the guy bootleggers have fun? But her story's not very fun. It's you'll see. It's called Waterville Road. Gonna tell you a story of the life I found on Waterville Road where my truck broke down. Trying hard to get to Tennessee, 'cause the Smoky Mountain Hills, they were calling. So I built a still in the Canyon Hills, helped me fix my pet truck, pay the repair bills. People came from miles around, with little brown jugs from a little hick gal. And when the sun died and the moon was high, thought we survived on Waterville Road moonshine. Mama told me, girl, better watch your sin. Don't make the same mistakes over again. So I married a man from Johnson, Tennessee, and I put 3 babies up on his knee. His babies grew up strong and mean, making sweet corn liquor our family dream. People came from miles around, little brown jugs from a little hick gal. Take it away, guys. Tragedy struck our world one day. The lawman came and hauled her still away. Oldest boy tried to up and run. He took a bullet from the sheriff's gun. And when the sun died and the moon was high, thought we survived on Waterville Road moonshine. Been 3 years, all I do is pray. Made a deal with the judge, still hauled me away. Now I'm sitting here on cracky prison grounds, cursing the day that my truck broke down. And when the sun died and the moon was high, thought we survived on Waterville Road moonshine. We had a really long ending to that, but we're going to stop for time. But thank y'all so much. We appreciate it.
So now I know you guys will work with me. Your new part is I'm tapping out. So have you ever had like a bad week at work, or somebody's driving you crazy, or you just want to get away from the news and the politics and all the other crap that's going on, and you just want to go have a drink at the Commodore Grill? That's all it is, right? Right on. I'm on the beach, feeling real good. Got a cold drink in my hand. Season is late, the tourists are gone, so I'm working on a brand new plan. Well, I was gonna show them everything that I got, but I ran into the same old me. Pushing everything off one more day, shading underneath this old palm tree. I'm tapping out.
I'm tapping out.
Bring me 2 more drinks. I got one on the box. The sun is on the rocks. The key to setting me free. I'm tapping out.
And I'm tapping out.
The world can kiss my sass. I don't care what people think. I'm gonna have another drink. I'm tapping out. Now that was really terrible, you guys. I know you want to have some more fun than that. The things just keep piling up on me. You never know if it'll end. Try to find a spot here at the bar. It's like looking for a long lost friend. Yeah, the sun is going down, and so am I, floating on bourbon and rye, drinking my way through another day, smiling when they ask me why. I'm tapping out.
I'm tapping out.
Bring me 2 more drinks. Got Chesney on the box, the whiskey's on the rocks. Jack set me free. I'm tapping out.
I'm tapping out.
The world can kiss my sass. I don't care what people think. Gonna have another drink. I'm tapping out. Maybe this time I could get it right. Finish what I never start. Keep everybody from doting on me and saying, oh, bless his heart. I'm tapping out.
I'm tapping out.
Bring me 2 more drinks. Boots and scootings on the box. All the girls are looking hot. Let's have another drink. 'Cause I'm tapping out.
I'm tapping out.
The world can kiss my sass. I don't care what people think. Gonna have another drink. I'm tapping out. I don't care what people think. I'm gonna have another drink. I'm tapping out. Okay, just one.